Healthy non-toxic. The granite stone coating is derived from minerals and reinforced with diamonds, making this frying pan free of PFOA, PFOS, lead cadmium for an eco-friendly, healthy experience. Ultra non-stick. The Granite Stone Emerald Collection non-stick cooking surface is coated 3x, reinforced with diamonds to deliver the ultimate food release. No oil or butter needed, makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free, 1, 2, 3 cleanup. GRANITESTONE Emerald Collection. New for 2021. The Granite Stone Emerald Collection was inspired by the natural and healthy elements of this pan and will make a stylish statement in any kitchen with performance upgrades including improved non-stick and durability. Super durable. The coating of the pan is infused with diamonds, the strongest material on Earth, which makes it durable enough to withstand metal utensils, spatulas, spoons, whisks and even electric beaters while delivering years of outstanding non-stick use. Effortless cleanup. Dishwasher safe. Spend less time with cleanup. After all the cooking and prepping is done, place cookware in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. Stovetop oven safe. Compatible with gas, electric, glass cooktops. Oven safe up to a sizzling up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, lids included. Complete cookware set. This set includes everything you need to get cooking right out of the box including 8.5, skillet, 10.25, frying pan, tempered glass lid for 10.25, frying pan, 1.5 quart saucepan with tempered glass lid, 2.5 quart stockpot with tempered glass lid, 5 quart stockpot with tempered glass lid, XL aluminum steamer insert. Stay cool handles. The stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed for both righty and lefties. The unique Y-shaped handles lets heat escape and keeps the handles cool to the touch. Even heat distribution, stamped from a solid sheet of aluminum, ensures even heat distribution all around with no dead zones or hot spots. 10-year guarantee. Our cookware is built for years of use and backed by a 10-year limited guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. Very versatile. This is one handy little pan and so versatile. It's my go-to pan every morning when I make my boys eggs for breakfast. It'll hold up to 7 scrambled eggs at one time without anything spilling over the edges. The flat griddle pan works so much better on my gas stove than the regular frying pan of the same size. I can get more in the pan and it cooks more evenly. I like that I don't have to grease or butter the pan in order to keep things from sticking. I have other non-stick pans that still that done, but not this one. It's truly non-stick and works wonderfully. Clean up is a breeze. Just give it a quick wipe down with a sponge. No need to scrub or soak anything. It is dishwasher safe, but I never put any type of pots, pans or bakeware in the dishwasher. I feel like they last longer when I hand wash them. It also says that you can use metal utensils on it, but I always err on the side of caution and only use silicone utensils. My favorite part of this pan is the handle. Unlike other griddle pans, the handle is flat with no upward angle. It's amazing how much easier it is to keep the pan flat while moving from stove to oven or vice versa. This is a quality-made pan that's very sturdy and I expect will last me quite a long time.